is another great day here in Southwest Florida. I'm Kerrick with MVP Realty, and I'm excited to share with you what I've got going on this week. I've got some open houses planned for you, and I hope that you can stop by and see them. Okay, so I'm going to be, first one on deck, I'm going to be down at 4961 Berkeley Drive. That's in Naples. This is in Queens Park. This is a great community if you take a look at this. This is located right just near the Davis Boulevard and Rattlesnake area, not far from Bay Shore, and pretty close to the downtown Naples area as well. If you take a look at this one, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home, okay? It is being sold fully furnished. You've got about 2,000 square feet. It's got a circular driveway. It's got cathedral ceilings. There's so much to enjoy about this property. Again, beautiful neighborhood, really great proximity to the downtown area and the Bay Shore area. Lots of great attractions. Beaches are close by. Pretty much anything that you could ask for in a great home in a great neighborhood. Okay? So next on deck, so I'm going to be here, starting tomorrow. That's Wednesday the 17th from 2 to 5. Then I'm going to be back on there on Friday. I'm going to be back there Friday the 19th from 3 to 5. Okay? So stop on by. Again, that's 4961 Berkeley Drive in Queens Park. That's in Naples. All right? So next on deck, I've got 634 12th Avenue South. Okay. This is in the Old Naples area. This is a condo, also being sold fully furnished, turnkey. And this is located right near the 3rd Street and the 5th Avenue area. You've got the city dock right up the street. You have got the beaches access right nearby too. This is, if you're thinking about the perfect Naples location, I believe this is it. Okay, so please come on by. I've got this one. We've got this one listed at $694,900. This is located now. This is a great value when you consider that's one of the most expensive zip codes in all of Naples. Okay, you're talking about multi-million-dollar properties here, and you can have this location for only just under $700,000. So stop by. I'm going to be there on Friday from 11 to 1. And then I'm going to be back, that's Friday the 19th from 11 to 1, and then I'm going to be back there Saturday from 11 to 2, okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at 239-340-1468. And again, I'm Kerrick with MVP Realty, and I'm excited to see you, all right? Make it a great day, and God bless.